Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Use 500 g minced lamb or beef, 1 small onion grated, 2 cloves garlic crushed. Mix thoroughly by hand, folding in aromatics until the mixture holds together without becoming dense. Add 1 tsp salt, 1/2 tsp black pepper, 1 tsp cumin, and 1/2 cup chopped parsley to balance fat and spice. Rest the meat mixture 20 minutes uncovered in the fridge so flavors meld and the texture firms. Soak 4 large flatbreads or lavash in warm water for 10 seconds to soften, then drain before assembly. Shape the spiced meat into long, thin logs about 20 cm by 3 cm, then chill 15 minutes to keep the form while cooking. Heat a grill pan or cast iron skillet until smoking hot, oil lightly, and cook kebabs on high for searing, then lower heat and cook an additional 6 to 8 minutes, turning to reach internal 72 degrees C for safety. Brush flatbreads with 2 tablespoons yogurt sauce and place grilled kebab, sliced onion, tomato, and pickles, leaving a 3 cm border for rolling without spillage. Make yogurt sauce with 1 cup plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/4 tsp salt, and 1 tsp chopped mint for brightness. Whisk until smooth. Layer sauce thinly on the warmed flatbread. Add the kebab, a handful of fresh parsley, sliced cucumber, and a sprinkle of sumac or chili flakes to taste. Roll tightly, seam down, then compress for 30 seconds and cut in half on the bias for neat presentation. Store leftovers in airtight container up to 48 hours, refrigerated. Reheat to 74 degrees C before eating.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.